Hi everyone, I'm back. I know I already said Happy New Year and I said I wasn't going to be going in store until after the new year, but I broke my own rule when I got the 20% off notice in my email. I'm one of the unfortunate souls who is signed up for coupons, but I don't seem to get them in the mail ever. So I did have to jump on the opportunity to use 20% off. I went in store to two separate stores today, just got back, and yeah, wanted to share my little haul with you guys. So my first thing here is the 75% off candles. The only ones they had in my store were berry waffle cone, and it's a really nice, warm, cozy scent. I will probably be keeping one of them and then maybe exchanging or gifting the other three. But yeah, I am happy to have those. And with the 75% off and then the 20% off coupon on top of that, these were $4.90 each, which is a total steal. I'm really excited to have those. The next up, I picked this up. This was a reward that I used. This is the bubble bath in Manuka honey and vitamin B5 renewing. It's a pretty large size bottle here, and it retails for $16.50. I had a reward for exactly $16.50 or under, but I do believe in my store they were 50% off. But yeah, I used a reward for that, so that was free. And then this was an item that I had on my list that I was hoping to find during SAS, and I did find it in store for 50% off. And then with the 20% off coupon on top of that, let me check my receipt here. I think it was somewhere along the lines of like $16, something like that. $16 to $18, something like that. I think it retails for, let me see. Where is the price? Yeah, $39.50 regular price, which is kind of high. But I really love the honey wildflower scent in the body mist. So I am happy to have the really pretty bottle here of the eau de parfum. Is it an eau de parfum? Let me see. Such tiny little type here. Can't quite tell what it is. Oh, I was looking at the bottom of the bottle. It says here on the box, eau de parfum. So yeah, very happy to have that. And I think it's just a beautiful bottle. And then on one of the purchases, so I did make two separate purchases with these orders, one in each store. One of the purchases, I needed a little bit of extra money to make it hit that $25 price point in order to get my 20% off. So I threw in this Fresh Balsam Increased Intensity Wallflower. I'm not a huge fan of the wallflowers, but I figured if I just needed a few extra dollars, I think after the 20% off, this was $2 and some change. And I do like the Fresh Balsam scent. My husband does as well. So that is that. And then the second order that I had, that I made in store at the second store that I went to, I needed to add a few extra dollars to make it $25 again. And I picked up, and the car clip is in my car. I got a visor clip, and I also got four. One of them is in the car, but I got four of these car fragrance refills. They were 75% off as well. This is in Twisted Peppermint, and then I got two of the pumpkin cupcake. And I have Twisted Peppermint in my car. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm glad that I took the opportunity to use that 20% off coupon when in store today. It's quite rainy out here today, so I think I'm gonna stay inside for the rest of the evening. I hope you guys are staying safe, and let me know if you guys used your 20% off coupon in store or online. Let me know what you got. I'm excited to hear what's in your store as well, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.